What to include in your small apartment preventive maintenance system? Hey, Cordell here, smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website for tips and tricks on buying and managing small apartments. And in this video, I'm going to talk about a preventive maintenance system, schedule system. All right, so here are items that should be included in your preventive maintenance system. Take a screenshot. I'm not going to read off all the things listed here. Take a screenshot or use your cell phone, it doesn't matter. But after identifying the items subject to preventive maintenance, establish the task to complete each item and the frequency for these tasks. So some things may be done quarterly, weekly, daily, etc. Have a system. And the maintenance schedule includes the list of items that are subject to regular maintenance and the date when the preventive maintenance is scheduled. In addition to timing concerns of it be monthly, weekly, whatever, seasonal maintenance must be considered part of the plan. And put this on your calendar. Online is best, of course, keeping things digital. You can access it anywhere. And follow it to the T. Don't deviate from what is on your calendar. And when inspections are made, enter them into your system. The preventive maintenance schedule can be filled in to show the date and any comments that you have. The file system should have information on the equipment. This includes serial, model number, date of purchase, warranty, and what type of maintenance should be performed along with that. So you have a calendar, as I said, number one, and then you're going to have like an internal document that lists all the things that needs to be done with it. You can even put this on your calendar. Google Calendar is perfectly fine for this, but whatever you have, there may be other types of software, but regardless, that's what the big boys do. They have a system in place and they follow it. So as a small apartment investor and manager, if that is you, do the same. Be like the big boys. That's it for this video. Check me out again. Bye.